Are you tired of forgetting about subscriptions and getting charged for services you're not even using? Let's quickly dive into the practical steps. To access your subscription settings on your iPhone, launch the Settings app. Tap on your profile at top. Now in New Window, select Subscriptions. Here, you'll find a list of all your active subscriptions, and you can easily manage each one individually. Next, let's learn how to cancel subscriptions on your iPhone. Open the Subscriptions menu. Choose the subscription you want to cancel. Select the Cancel Subscription option. Finally, confirm to cancel the subscription. Remember, upon canceling a subscription, you won't get any refund for the remaining period, but you can still use the service until the billing cycle ends. If you prefer managing subscriptions from the App Store, here's how you can do it. Open the App Store. Tap on your profile in the top right corner. Here, select your Apple ID. Use Face ID or passcode. Scroll down and choose Subscriptions. Now, you can easily locate and cancel any active subscription of your choice. Remember to take advantage of free trial periods before committing to a subscription.